Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Ken-Betwa River Link Project. Why in news? On 25th December 2024, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay the foundation stone of the Ken-Betwa River Linking Project, the first such initiative under the National River Interlinking Policy at Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh. About Ken-Betwa Link Project. The Ken-Betwa Link Project is a unique example of cooperation and coordination between the central government, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. The project involves transferring water from the Ken River in Madhya Pradesh to the Betwa River in Uttar Pradesh. The project, estimated at Rs 44,605 crore, will provide drinking water to nearly 44 lakh people across 10 districts of Madhya Pradesh and 21 lakh people in Uttar Pradesh. Under the project, a 77-meter high and 2.13 kilometers long Dodhan Dam and 2 tunnels will be constructed on the Ken River in the Panna Tiger Reserve. The Ken-Betwa project will provide an annual irrigation facility in 59,000 hectare area in Uttar Pradesh. What are the concerns related to the project? Environmental. Because of certain environmental and wildlife conservation concerns like passing of the project through critical tiger habitat of Panna Tiger Reserve. Economic. There is a huge economic cost attached with the project implementation and maintenance, which has been rising due to delays in project implementation. Social. Reconstruction and rehabilitation cost due to displacement resulting from the implementation of the project will involve social cost as well. They are also concerned that the project will endanger the water security of Panna. About Ken and Betwa rivers. Ken and Betwa rivers originate in Madhya Pradesh and are the tributaries of Yamuna. Ken meets with Yamuna in Banda district of Uttar Pradesh and Betwa meets with Yamuna in Hamirpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Rajghat, Paricha and Matatila dams are over Betwa river. Ken river passes through the Panna Tiger Reserve. About National River Linking Project. The National Perspective Plan was prepared by the then Ministry of Irrigation, now Ministry of Jal Shakti, in August 1980 for water resources development through inter-basin transfer of water. Under the NPP, the National Water Development Agency has identified 30 links, 16 under Peninsular Component and 14 under Himalayan Component for preparation of feasibility reports. The implementation of the ILR projects depend on the consensus of the concerned states. Thus, the Interlinking of Rivers program is being pursued based on the principle of consensus and agreement among the concerned states. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about Ken and Betwa rivers. Ken and Betwa rivers originate in Uttar Pradesh and are the tributaries of Yamuna. Ken river passes through the Panna Tiger Reserve. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.